In this video, I'm going to reveal what's really in that delicious Arby's Horsey Sauce that we all love to slather on our roast beef sandwiches. Yeah, you know what I mean. In this video, we're going to uncover why that creamy, spicy sauce keeps us coming back for more, and what's actually hiding inside that familiar packet that we get. Have you ever wondered why it tastes so good you keep grabbing more of them? Oh yeah. We're going to peel away this sauce from beginning to end so that you can make better choices for yourself and your family. So please do stay with me, because what's in this sauce might really shake you up. And it's all coming up right now. If you're new here, my name is Susan Burr, and if you're a returning friend, we are so glad that you are here with us. Let's get into today's topic. Today we're looking at Arby's Horsey Sauce. All right, what a delight. Now, this creamy, spicy condiment that's been a staple at Arby's for decades, okay? If you've been anywhere in America, you've run into these before. Now, let's take a look at what the nutritional facts actually say about this sauce, and should we keep ordering it or not? So what are we actually eating when we dip our roast beef into this spicy sauce? Well, according to their official nutritional information and multiple sources, Arby's sauce contains about 60 calories, 5 grams of fat, about 3 grams of carbohydrates, about 2 grams of sugar, and about 170 grams of sodium. But wait a minute, we're not out of the woods yet. 1 tablespoon of Horsey sauce contains 2 grams of sugar, which is about 8% of a woman's daily limit and 5% of a man's, according to the American Heart Association. But here's the real question. What's actually in the sauce that makes it so delicious? Do tell. The official ingredient label shows things like soybean oil, high fructose corn syrup, number 2 on the list, distilled vinegar, corn syrup, number 4th on the list, modified cornstarch. Do you see a pattern developing here? Why does it taste so good? Egg yolk and salt, horseradish powder, interesting, huh? Mustard flour, sodium benzoate, which is a preservative, and calcium disodium. Did you catch that? That the high fructose corn syrup appears twice in this sauce, both as high fructose corn syrup and as regular corn syrup. And water and soybean oil are the first ingredients. But the high fructose corn syrup is right there in the top 3. So, SpaghettiOs. Yeah, you know why you love that sauce, right? You were kind of wondering, why do I always get it, right? Okay. So what's the problem with the hidden sugar in these savory dishes? I mean, is it a problem or is it no big deal? Well, the CDC explains that many processed foods and beverages contain added sugars. Okay, so when you think of a horseradish sauce, you think of spicy and savory. But Arby's Horsey Sauce contains high fructose corn syrup as a primary ingredient. The sauce is added to balance the heat of the horseradish and to enhance the flavor. So that's, it is a classic example of hidden sugars in everyday foods. But wait, is it just the sugar, or is there something else hiding in the sauce? Well, the American Heart Association warns that high fructose corn syrup is chemically similar to table sugar, but that excess added sugars, regardless of the source, are major contributors to, here we go, cat's out of the bag, obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. When you eat Arby's Horsey Sauce, you are getting some sugars. It's only 2, but it depends on your situation, right? From the sauce itself and also from the corn syrup. And don't forget the other side dishes that you order when you go, right? I mean, you don't go out to a restaurant and just sit there and not eat anything. So what does this mean for you? The whole reason that I was sick for 10 years, I collapsed on the floor, I went to the emergency room, I was there for 3 days. They sent me home and they said they didn't know what was wrong with me. And I still had to pay all the medical bills, right? It was because I was not aware. If you need to know the whole story, it's in another video. It's called Sugar Nightmare. It's the whole thing. Okay. So awareness is the key, right? So of course, if you can't check the labels, check them. You can go online. A lot of restaurants are starting to put their menu online nowadays, but not everybody's into doing that. All right. And stay tuned with us here on this channel. We do tremendous amount of research every single day to bring you the most updated information available today. The point is, if you have Arby's Horsey Sauce once in a while, is it life or death? The answer is, I don't know. It's up to you and your doctor. I can only tell you that you are a person who is watching this channel. You need to check your sugar and you need to know how much sugar is hiding in the foods you eat. And now you know that if you go to Arby's and you get that sandwich and you get that sauce, that's about more or less how many sugars you have. And then you can make a choice according to how many sugars the doctor told you you can or cannot have, right? Or maybe it's a special, it's your birthday and that's your favorite restaurant. I mean, that's between you and your doctor, right? So I hope that makes sense, right? So now you are aware, and that is the most important thing. Now, if you love this sauce and you would like to make it at home, please do drop me a line, okay? If I get enough people that are interested, I will make a separate video with the recipe for it, without, so much sugar and all the other carbohydrates and all that stuff, okay? Okay? Is this one of your favorite sauces, right? Are you a sauce lover and want a deep dive on hidden sauces and condiments? Or maybe you would like to know how to cut your sugar from your favorite sauces altogether. How about a list of which fast food sauces have the most sugar and which don't? Either way, please do drop me a line in the comments below so that I can make the content my viewers are interested in getting answers for. If this content has helped you understand about the hidden sugars, please do consider to tap the like button, and also please do consider to subscribe. When you subscribe to our channel, it tells YouTube that this content is valuable and that it actually helps people. And that's what we're here to do. What happened to me years ago, I do not want to happen to any of my viewers, which is why I started this channel. Also, please do, when you have a minute, download the free resource below. It can help you a lot if you have anything about sugar going on. And again, I thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.